Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm painting Hyun. Today I want to show you how to paint these beautiful rose in watercolor today. So in the last video we drew these rose with the pencils. We used HB, 2B, 4B pencils, right? So today we are going to use those colors in watercolor. If there is anyone who has not watched last video yet, go back and watch it please. I will put it in the description box below, okay? In this video, we are going to be painting this rose beautifully in watercolor. Actually, it will be challenging, but then we always want to paint roses. So today is the right day, okay? This is a kind of buzz. It's not in full bloom yet. So I think it's a little bit easier than in bloom, okay? So just to try with me, don't get much stress. If you fail today, you can try another day. So we have a beautiful, beautiful new day for free, right? It will get better day by day if you practice a lot. Okay, shall we start? So first colors, I'm going to use lemon yellow and permanent red, bandako green, and ultramarine deep. Mainly use these three of these colors and brushes, Da Vinci and Escoda this brush. Okay. Already I sketched in watercolor paper, use the 2H pencil, okay? Start to wash the paper on the rose center area. So clean water, put on the flower area. Now I'm with the paper flower area, but then leave between petals and this area. I wanna highlight, I wanna make sure this area, highlight area. So I wanna color it. I don't wanna color this edgy petal area. And first very light yellow color put on here. Now this paper is still very wet, so light yellow put on there, and I want to make see a little bit of dilute that color, and this one is a permanent red. So I didn't mix any color, just I'm using permanent red only color. Okay, next I want to switch the brush. So this is very small thin brush, and I'm mixing a little bit this red color dilute and draw some line on the petal. I mix a little bit of ultramarine dip on the with red color. So I make very thick and strong color, almost purple color. And then put on the each petal the corner. The petal makes the another petal. That corner I put on the very thick and strong color on there. And a little bit clean water with the dilute the color. Okay. 12, go out. And then some light yellow and drag here to go out. This area already fully dried, so I wet the paper a little bit with the thin brush, and first some of yellow from the center petal area, and then get some red color and touch the edge area, edge petal, and clean brush and drag in out from out to inside. Okay, I'm going to wait this area. So after dry, I want to put some little bluishy yellow color. Okay. Panda green mix yellow, so get some little light color. Okay, this area almost dry, so I want to put on very light yellow on the there. Just smoothly okay. Okay, that's it. And then here, background area. Ultramarine did mix red, so I got some purple. So I want a bluish purple. So and finally, I want to use splatter technique on here, on background area. Okay, I'm done this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.